Big Dave's latest crusade? Pizza. That's it. Not here for a cultural deep dive. Not researching ancient dough techniques. Just hunting down crust with the right chew and cheese that stretches like bad decisions. Today's stop, London Oven. A local joint with Middle Eastern flair, which Dave will definitely mispronounce and absolutely ignore, unless it's baked into the pie. By the slice, rolls, and stomach first, questions later. Welcome to the Worst Food Review channel, where ignorance is an ingredient and pizza is religion.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
How are you today? I'm excellent, thank you. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. I just need Canadian pizza?
Medium, large, extra large.
Medium.
Medium Canadian. That's it?
That's it.
1468.
Okay. How long will that be?
We need 20 minutes.
Perfect, thank you very much.
20 minutes later.
That's good for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You guys have a great day.
Thanks.
Welcome back, By the Slice, Big Dave. Well, today we're at London Oven. This is on Southdale and Warncliffe on the corner next to the fish and chip place, the Golden, whatever it is. This is a medium pizza, it's the smallest one they sell. This one was just under 15 bucks, I believe. Let's have a look. I got a Canadian, mushroom, pepperoni, bacon. It looks like it's real bacon strips, believe it or not. They cheated with the pepperoni, it's underneath. The mushrooms are definitely fresh. Looks a little anemic, not exactly sure. All right, let's look a little deeper into this thing. Let's get a slice out. The mushrooms, I can really smell the mushrooms. There's quite a strong smell from the mushrooms. They're really the aromatics on the pizza. The cheese doesn't look terrible, really. The oven is one of those, it's a gas-fired oven. It's a regular oven on the bottom, but it's one of those, I don't know, like a wood-fired with the open door on the front at the top. It's brown, nice on the bottom. Let's take a bite. Maybe the drawback on this, the crust might be slightly underdone, but everything's very flavorful. The crust is actually tasty. The sauce is delicious. The cheese is decent quality cheese. And the toppings are actually quite good. What a surprise on this one. I'm super excited. Let's give this thing a score. 8-1. That's a darn good pizza. I'm surprised. I think this place is worth checking out. London Oven. Comment below. Let us know if you've been here. Hit the like button. Subscribe, share. Look for us next time. This is By the Slice, and I'm Big Dave. Big Dave!